Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your iPhone model and iOS version, because newer AI tracking features need supported hardware and firmware. Next, enable location and motion access for the apps you plan to use. Go to Settings, Privacy, then Permit Access. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud so settings and models sync. Make sure to update any apps involved. This gets the groundwork ready, so the AI tracking setup that follows will run without permission or sync errors. Now configure AI tracking within the app and iPhone settings. Open the app, locate AI tracking or smart detection options, and enable the specific tracking modules you need. Calibrate sensors when prompted. Follow the on-screen orientation and movement tests so results are accurate. Next, decide where processing happens, on-device for privacy or iCloud for cross-device sync, and set detection sensitivity and sampling frequency. Make sure to grant the app background activity and motion and fitness access, so tracking runs reliably even when the screen is off. Finish by running a short live test and comparing results to what really happened so you know the tracking is accurate. If you see mismatches, recalibrate sensors and review app permissions. To preserve battery, make sure the app has low power mode exceptions or reduced sampling rate. This balances accuracy and drain. If things still fail, reset permissions, force quit and reinstall the app and test again. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling location and motion permissions off and on often clears caching errors and restores expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.